Hello students, myself Professor Ambika Devi, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Bidar. Today's video is related to Session 12 of BSc 5th Sem Basic Instrumentation Skill Course, which is prescribed in the colleges affiliated to Karnataka State, Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. Let us now begin with the session of merits and demerits of electronic meters over a conventional meter specification. So the first slide, advantages of digital meters over a analog meter. So first, dear students, in this session we are discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of digital multimeters. First, we will discuss about what are the advantages of the digital meters. Okay, digital instruments are becoming more popular nowadays. We are using digital instruments only. Digital instruments are becoming more popular because of their advantages over a analog instruments. For example, such as a greater speed, increased accuracy, better resolution, and reduction in operator errors, and the ability to provide the automatic measurements in the system applications. So first we will discuss the advantages of digital multimeters. Here there are more accurate than the analog meters. Digital meters are more accurate. Its result is more accurate than the analog multimeters, and they reduce the reading and interpolation errors. They reduces the errors. The autopolarity function can prevent the problems from connecting the meter to a test circuit with the wrong polarity. And parallax errors are also emitted in the digital meters. If the pointer of the analog multimeters is viewed from a different angle, then you will see a different values. This is the parallax error. If you if you see the multimeter in the right angle or left angle, it shows different values. This is the parallax error. A digital multimeter numerically displays the values. If we use instead of analog meter, if we use the digital multimeters, then we can get directly readings in the digital form. So these are the some advantages of the digital multimeter. And next advantage is digital multimeters displays have no moving parts. This makes them free from wear and shock failures. The readings speed is increased as it is easier to read. Unlike analog multimeters, zero adjustment is not required. Zero adjustment is not required in the analog meter. Digital output is suitable. Digital output is suitable for the further processing or recording and can be useful in any rapidly increasing range of computer controlled applications. With the advantage of the integrated circuit, the size, cost, and power requirements of the digital multimeters has been drastically reduced. Accuracy is increased. Accuracy is increased to a digital readout, and we can make mistakes in reading the scale in the analog multimeters, but the digital multimeters have LCD display and it shows the correct reading. Digital multimeters can be used in testing continuity, capacitor, diode, and transistor. More advanced digital multimeters can also measure the frequency. The auto-ranging feature of a digital multimeters helps the selecting different measurement ranges. Here we will select the different ranges also. If in for example, if we are measuring the voltage, then we can measure the voltage in terms of millivolts, megavolts, or like that, which can prevent the damage to the meter if the wrong range is selected. Problem size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Size is comfortable to carry anywhere. The cause less meter loading effects on the circuit being tested. Some advanced digital multimeters have microprocessors and can store the readings for the further processing, and they have a very high input impedance. These are the some advantages of the digital multimeters over analog meter. In next slide, I am going to explain disadvantages of the digital multimeters over analog meters. First one is the LCD display depends on a battery. LCD display depends upon a battery or external power source. When the battery is low, the display will be dim and making it difficult to read. If a battery is full charge, then only it shows the clear picture of the reading. In case of fluctuations, it can record an error. Warming the meter during its use can change its properties, leading to errors in the measured value. And the AC/DC converters has limitations on onward length, which can cause the quantization noise, giving rise to error in measured value. And there is a voltage limitation. If it is increased beyond the limit, then the meter will be damaged. The digital nature makes it unsuitable for adjusting tuning the circuits or peaking tunable responses. They are expensive due to high manufacturing cost, and in spite of the above mentioned disadvantages, the digital multimeters are gaining popularity and are most widely used. See here students, the comparison between analog and digital meters comes down to one word. Okay. In most situations, call for as precise a reading as possible, making a digital meter the better choice. However, instead of a single precise reading, some instances call for finding out a range of readings and making an analog meter the better choice. In this students, in this video we are discussing the advantages and disadvantages of the digital multimeter over a analog meter. Means we are comparing analog meter with digital meter. So after having a knowledge about analog and digital meter, which one is better? With a precise LCD readout, digital meters are typically seen as more modern. Okay, digital multimeters are modern techniques and generally better than the analog meters. However, there are times when old school analog is simply the better choice. For example, when multimeters are used to measure the electric current, the current can fluctuate without warning. This means that an initial readout by a digital meter could be an accurate. Digital meter readings are accurate. Mm, so correctly measured. Conversely, the moving needle of an analog meter provides a more complete picture of the current and fluctuations. Okay, so students, in this video we have discussed about the merits and demerits of the electronic meters over a conventional meter specific.